also to the Araneta Center, which is a new partner. Tapos kasi dahil dito, we do not only hope for clean environment, but we're also really campaigning for clean establishments, clean enterprises, green governance, also hopefully a green election, and also clean energy. So sana po, makita natin the numbers of the participants of the two of the partners have been increasing, but I think what is more significant is the number of partners that we are having, representing business, representing government, representing the citizenry. So sana po, lalo na po sa Araneta Center, maraming salamat. And I think Araneta Center is already seriously planning and already putting in place consideration for making the elementary bike-friendly by making bike facilities available. So, maraming salamat and congratulations. Kasi, gamit na doon ito, may pawis pa po ng isa sa ating mga our timer participants. So yan po, maraming salamat. Di rin namin sa special concern sa BNR and also sa PLC and